There are a lot of attorneys out there that have different approaches to motorcycle accidents. I can tell you my personal experience riding a motorcycle. I was at UC Santa Barbara for my undergraduate education in California, and I didn't have any money at all. I put myself through school. My dad definitely helped me financially, but I always needed to work. And some of the jobs I had, I was working in restaurants, I was working for lawyers, and I was doing basically whatever I could to make sure that I had some money in my pocket. I didn't have enough money for a car, so I had a motorcycle. And I can tell you that as someone who has driven and ridden a motorcycle not just for fun, but they're using a motorcycle as transportation, people who have had that experience, who really have not just gone out on a Sunday, but they've actually ridden, they know how dangerous it is, and they know how invisible you are. When you're going to work on a Monday morning, or if you're driving in the rain on a Tuesday night, you're coming home from work, that's a really radically different experience, and it gives you an appreciation for how dangerous it is and how unfair other drivers will treat motorcyclists. So if you're a rider and you get injured by a vehicle that's not paying attention, some guy's playing on his phone or playing with his radio, or he's impaired or something like that, and he clips you, I've been in that situation before, and I've actually had to lay down my motorcycle in order to avoid an accident. And I can tell you that it was a very, very real experience, one of those vivid memories that you have that you really don't forget. I can't hold myself out as being like the biggest warrior out there, and I don't have the fleet of motorcycles in my garage, but I do have that experience of really riding as someone getting from A to B and commuting, and someone who's had that experience, and having people pull in front of you, having people nearly kill you. So if you've been injured by the negligence of some other driver, trust me, I understand what you're going through, and I speak your language, and I'm happy to help you. When we take a motorcycle case, I'm committed to making sure that my clients are absolutely taken care of. And that's why if you bring a retainer agreement from another attorney, I guarantee the lowest fee. So whatever their percentage is, I know that will come in lower, and we don't have it's X number of percentage, and then all of a sudden it's 40% if we file suit. We also don't charge for paper clips and staples. We don't charge for mileage. We don't charge for expenses. All of the things that can make with the breakdown, when it all is said and done, make it so unfair, where a lawyer is actually getting more than what the client gets. And I think that that's the way that I can really give back to the writing community. And yes, you can say that you understand, but I also think put your money where your mouth is. And so with writers, I guarantee the lowest fee. So if you have a fee agreement and we do agree to accept your case, you'll see that our fee agreement comes in lower, and I want to help you. So I get it, and I'm sorry that you're going through what you're going through, and understand that you have an advocate and somebody's on your side. My number is 602-989-5000, 602-989-5000. You can also text us at 602-883-8888. That's 602-883-8888. The consultation can be done right over the phone. Don't have to come into the office. I'm here to help you. And just trust me, do yourself a favor just to compare our contracts and look at a contract with fine print, and then check out ours out, no fine print at all. And you'll see just how much more you can recover when you hire my law firm. I'm Attorney Nick Alcock. Thank you so much for calling us. If you do, I appreciate it. 602-989-5000. I'm here for you. Appreciate it.